Unit 9.
Calm. Calm is an adjective. If something is calm, it is quiet and still. The ducks swam on the calm lake. Now you say the word calm. Calm. Cheer. Cheer is a verb. When people cheer, they yell or call out loudly. The fans cheer for the home team. Now you say the word cheer. Cheer. Dawn. Dawn is a noun. Dawn is the time of day when the sun first comes up. Some people wake up at dawn. Now you say the word dawn. Dawn. Entire. Entire is an adjective. Entire means the whole thing. It is all of something. We were so thirsty that we drank the entire jug of water. Now you say the word entire. Entire. Fair. Fair is an adjective. A person who is fair follows the rules and treats everyone the same way. Ed was fair and gave me a turn. Now you say the word fair. Fair. Fair is a noun. A fair is an outdoor place where people bring things to sell. It is a place where people have fun. I had fun on the rides at the fair. Now you say the word fair. Field. Field is a noun. A field is an area where a game is played. Usually, a field is covered with grass. The boy ran onto the field to join his teammates. Now you say the word field. Field. Field is a noun. A field is a large open area that has no trees. Sometimes a field is used to grow things. The horses ate grass in the field. Now you say the word field. Harm. Harm is a verb. Harm means to hurt. I stepped over the frog so that I would not harm it. Now you say the word harm. Harm. Pain. Pain is a noun. A pain is a feeling of hurt. I felt pain in my arm after I fell. Now you say the word pain. Pain. Shiver. Shiver is a verb. When you shiver, you shake quickly. Usually, your whole body will shiver if you are cold or afraid. The cold, blowing wind made me shiver. Now you say the word shiver. Shiver. Tremble. Tremble is a verb. When you tremble, you shake from excitement or anger. A part of your body shakes a little when you tremble. My fingers tremble before I play the piano for my teacher. Now you say the word tremble. Tremble.